Hello friends, welcome to MySQL video tutorials series. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss how to rename a table. We understand how do we rename an already created table, guys. To rename a table, we take help of alter table command. Basic syntax for renaming a table is we write alter table, current name of the table, rename, new name for the table, semicolon. For example, let's assume we have already created a table called student underscore table and I want to rename it to tbl underscore student. To do that, I say alter table student underscore table rename tbl underscore student semicolon, where student underscore table is the current name of the table, tbl underscore student is the new name for the table. Let's go to MySQL console and understand how do we rename a table. Here I say show databases semicolon, I hit enter. We know that show databases command displays list of databases currently available inside MySQL server. It is displaying list of databases currently available inside MySQL server, guys. I want to create database for City College, so I say here create database db underscore city underscore college semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that query is executed successfully. Let's check out whether db underscore city underscore college database is created or not. I say here show databases semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that db underscore city underscore college database is created inside MySQL server. Inside db underscore city underscore college database, I want to create student table. To do that, first I should select the database. To select the database, we say use, then we write the database name that we want to select. I say here db underscore city underscore college semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that database changed is displayed. That means the currently selected database is db underscore city underscore college. I say here show tables semicolon. We know that show tables command displays list of tables available inside currently selected database. I hit enter. It is telling empty set. That means there are no tables available inside db underscore city underscore college database. Let's create student table. I say here create table. Here I say student underscore table opening bracket. I hit enter. Here we write list of column definitions. Students are going to have ID, so first column name will be ID. Column data type, I say int, comma, I hit enter. Students are going to have name, so I say here name, and student names will be of variable length, so data type of the column I say here varchar. In brackets I say 50, which indicates maximum number of characters allowed to insert inside the name column will be 50. I hit enter, bracket close, semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that query is executed. That means student underscore table is created. Let's check out whether it is created or not. I say here show tables semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that student underscore table is created inside db underscore city underscore college. Now what I want to rename student underscore table to tbl underscore student. And how do we rename a table, guys? We say alter table, then we write current name of the table. I say here student underscore table, then we say rename, then we write new name for the table. I say here tbl underscore student semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that query is executed successfully. That means table is renamed. Let's check out whether the table is renamed or not. I say here show tables semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that student underscore table is renamed to tbl underscore student. If you want to rename tbl underscore student back to student underscore table, what you do? You say alter table. You write current name of the table. Current name of the table is tbl underscore student. I say here tbl underscore student. Then we say rename. Then we write new name for the table. I say here student underscore table semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that query is executed. Let's check out whether tbl underscore student is renamed to student underscore table. I say here show tables semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that tbl underscore student table is renamed to student underscore table. So that's how you rename a table, guys. Understanding? Now what I want to delete the database, guys. I say here drop database. I say db underscore city underscore college semicolon. I hit enter. Query is executed. That means db underscore city underscore college database is deleted. Remember, if you delete the database, all tables that you create inside the database are also deleted. Let's check out whether db underscore city underscore college is deleted or not. I say here show databases semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that db underscore city underscore college database is deleted from the server. I want to exit from MySQL console. I say here exit semicolon. I hit enter. MySQL console is closed. I hope you guys have clearly understood how do we rename a table. I suggest you people to watch this video again and again, understand everything clearly, try to remember all the commands that I teach in this video tutorials series and practice them as much as possible. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.